Ditch the tech headaches and let's build a high-converting landing page in StanStore that actually makes you money in under 90 seconds. First, log into your StanStore account and hit that big, friendly Add Product button. StanStore offers a ton of options, but for a basic landing page, let's start by either choosing Collect Emails to grow your list or External Link to send your audience to a specific offer. Now, craft a compelling headline that grabs attention. Write a brief description explaining the value, and create a call to action button text that entices clicks. Think download now or get instant access. Time to customize. StanStore lets you easily change colors to match your brand. Pick a font that resonates with your style and tweak the button appearance to make it pop. Don't forget to add some visual flair. Upload a banner image that represents your brand or offer, and make sure your profile picture is clear and inviting. Head over to the Appearance tab. StanStore's drag-and-drop interface makes it super simple to rearrange sections and prioritize your most important content. Hit that preview button to see how your landing page looks on different devices, and then, if you like it, click Publish. Finally, copy your StanStore URL and share it everywhere your audience hangs out. Your social media bios, email signatures, and even QR codes on printed materials. Now, track your results. StanStore provides analytics to help you understand what's working and what needs tweaking. Congratulations! You've just created a high-converting landing page with StanStore. Happy selling!